Let's take a look at finding the exact values of trig expressions. We have a couple examples here. Our first example, example A, has our angle measures in radians, and in example B, we're going to take a look at the angle measures in degrees. So I've also copied in the chart there towards the bottom that summarizes the 6 trig functions for each of those angles, just so we can use it as quick reference for these two examples. So let's go ahead with part A first. We have sine squared of pi over 3 plus tangent squared of pi over 4. So let's go ahead and start with sine of pi over 3. Pi over 3 is the same thing as a 60-degree angle. And our value for sine of pi over 3 is going to be radical 3 over 2. And keep in mind this value is being squared. So we're getting this from this value right here in our chart. And let's go ahead and do tangent of pi over 4. Tangent of pi over 4 is going to give us a 1. So we have 1 squared. And now we can go ahead and simplify this expression. Keep in mind when we're squaring this first term, this is the same thing as radical 3 over 2 times radical 3 over 2. When we multiply our numerators, we're going to get the square root of 9, which is the same thing as 3. For our denominator, this is going to give us a 4. And 1 squared is a positive 1, so when we add these together, we're going to end up with 7/4. And for example B, we have sine of 60 degrees. So sine of 60 degrees is radical 3 over 2. And cosine of 45 degrees, that's coming from this box, is going to be a radical 2 over 2. And when we multiply our numerators, that's going to give us a radical 6 on top and a positive 4 on the bottom.